G'day guys, what's cracking? 2Aussie here again. So I'm down in the Big Smoke, and right behind me is a little place where they have a little hotel motel type thing called the what's it called? Called the Capsule Hotel. I may stay down here one night. I'm going to give it a crack. So anyway folks, I'm going to head over across the road here. We're in George Street in the city. I'm going to head over to Nene Chicken and see what all the hype's about. Let's go and check it out. And we're back babies, and we got the goods. We got Nene's chicken, we got an MTW pack, I got a snowy chili dog thingo, corn dog with ranch, and our little beveragino. We went for a Fanta. Just whack everything out and we can check it out. So first up, let's check out the old corn dog. Chili corn dog. Nene's chicken. Oh geez, that's shrimpy. Wow, I think this costs $8 something, but I'll circle back to you with that. Bloody hell, what a roar. Now we got some pigeons and seagulls and whatnot, pedestrians. So folks, there it is. That's your snowy chili. Now I think the chili part is the snow. Believe it or not, I can smell that under my schnoz. Let's give it a red hot crack. Oh. This was a big mistake. Oh, I can feel that all the way down. The chili powder, you can see it's powder. It really is knocking my socks off. But I'm going in again. That's just the kind of guy I am. I like it hot. Oh yeah, baby. Wow, that's a bit of a sweet taste as well. Now that's a hot dog inside. We got a cheesy hot dog one, or a corn dog. It does taste pretty good, but oh my Buddha, I need a beveragino now. I'm gonna put that down for a sec, because guys, I really am dying. Today's beveragino quickly is Fanta, proudly brought to you by Nene with the MTW pack. I can't wait to get this in me gob. I really got a bloke-sized thirst now. Killing me. No zdrowia. Oh man, that'd have to be one of the hottest, spiciest things I've had so far on this channel. Oh, dropping everything here. With that being said, with that being said, let's polish it off. Now I did sort of look at the length of that and thought that ain't the biggest thing I've ever seen, but it's quite thick and quite chunky, just the way you like it. Hot as, I can't believe how hot it is. But will I survive? Let's find out. So I challenge anyone who goes to Nene's Chicken, because there's a few around and we have had it requested. I challenge you to try that chili snowflake thing. You will definitely need a drink, I'll tell you that much. Happy choice. Nene Chicken, happy choice. Let's see what the chicken's like. This is the MTW pack. Got the chicken and the drink. Alright, we got chips. I wasn't sure if there was chips in it. So we got chips, we got some sauce. I think that's cheese sauce. Gotta have a chip. I need something in there to get rid of that spice, I'll tell ya. Oh, yeah, we got it. Oh, I thought that was chicken leg piece. That's a chicken. Actually, it might be boneless. Let's find out. No. Oh, hell. It is. I've got a bloody seagull trying to get that while I'm showing to you the camera. Wow. Can't lie, folks. That's pretty decent chicken. And with the chips. Totally on point. I am McLovin that. Good thing I had the chili thing first. Now it's starting to calm down a bit, but I can still feel it on my lips. Tell you what, it's really clearing the old sinuses. So that's a chicken. Now, why I said that about the boneless, they did have boneless chicken, and at first I thought that looked like it, but they also told me in this pack there's two pieces of chicken and a wing, so we got our wing there. So it's not boneless, but you can get boneless if you go to Nene's Chicken. Maybe we'll try that another time. Well, let's check out this cheese sauce.
What the hell? Double teetering.
So that's the sauce, of course. Well, it's got a little lid that you can pop back on later. Save it for on if you wish. Let's whack a little bit on the chips and on the chicken. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Yeah, I love to see it. Oh yeah. First of all, let's give the chips a crack with that cheese sauce. I thought it was cheese sauce. Doesn't taste like bloody cheese. I'll tell you what that tastes like. I don't think it's actually cheese. No idea. And I'm not that mad about it. With that being said, actually, you know what it is? It's a type of mustard, I think. It's got a mustardy taste. Don't know if you had a choice of sauces. No one asked me. They just chucked that in the thing, so I'm not sure what I got there. But it tastes like mustard now I think about it. It ain't disgusting, but it ain't busting either. But that chicken is beautiful without the sauce. Nice seasoning, tastes phantasmagorical. I'll probably give that The taste, the chicken itself, 4.5 stars out of 5. It's totally lit. I'm loving it. Chips, pretty good. Corn dog, nearly killed me, but in a good way. I did love it. I wasn't expecting that spice factor on it. So folks, I'm going to polish the rest of this off. We're down in Town Hall at the moment, as you can probably see, George Street, having a great old time. Just about to head back. So folks, Nene's chicken, well worth a crack, and we did have a request for this. So, well worth a try. One of the best chickens I've actually ever tried. Something different from the old KFC and totally on point. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, never be too Aussie. Hooroo. Stay fresh. Watch this. I'll throw a couple of chips behind me. Birds everywhere. Top chicken that. Give it a crack if you can.